What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD CHF, USD CNHs, and USD ZAR. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity you have in all of this instrument. We'll look at one by one as this instrument providing a significant trading opportunity. Make sure you stick till the end to see how we can trade them. Before I begin, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So we'll be starting with USD ZAR and then we'll jump on to USD CNHs and finally we'll look at USD CHF. Now USD ZAR, as you can see that this current time frame, this is 4 hour time frame and we see a significant trading opportunity in this time frame. Now before we discuss what it is, let's quickly look at the multi time frame analysis and then we'll come back to this time frame again to see how we can trade this instrument, starting with the monthly time frame. Now USDs are monthly. What we see that the price after this bigger impulse on the monthly time frame, we saw a significant retracement to the upside. Now in this retracement to the upside on the monthly, we have seen that USDs are failed to create any new higher high. Instead, it has created a double top formation with a lower high on the right side. If you see that this is the right side, this is the left side, and it has created basically a lower high. That means that USDs are failed to create new higher high, meaning that we might see a slowly a push to the downside on USDZAR. So higher time frame showing a bearish move. Now previous months also we saw that there is a pin bar or doji has been created and then the price now started to dropping down. So we can expect USD ZAR to continue to drop at least at certain level. Now going to the weekly time frame, we saw that back to back every week the price is dropping. The past week we saw a doji. Now this kind of doji is another significant bearish candle. When you see a candle like that, it's a sign of bearish movement. Now at this point where we can expect USDZAR to drop, as you see that this is a double top formation and the price vertically moved to the upside, and now it looks like the price will vertically move to the downside, at least in the first move to this level of support, which can give us a significant trading opportunity in this instrument. So weekly as well, we have seen a bearish move. Going to the daily time frame, what we see that now after this move, USDs created a double top formation here, and then the price is pushing to the downside, creating a series of lower high and lower low, and it is moving in this channel. This is a channel. When you see a movement like that, you can expect the price to come down slowly and push to the downside, maybe to this level of support. So we can expect USDs to continue to drop. Now going to the intraday or 4 hour time frame, this is where we see a trading opportunity on USDs. As you see that this is the current 4 hour candle which is going to close after maybe 36 just after 36 minutes, and we saw that USDs from this channel, if you draw the top, the resistance of this channel, we saw that currently it is creating a bearish engulfer here. So you see that this is the red bearish engulfer. Now there is a significance in this bearish engulfer. If you look at the top of this candle, we saw that it crossed the previous one completely. As soon as the market this candle opened, we saw a full body red. That means that it's a strong bearish engulfer, and also it has created a head and shoulder in this level of resistance. So all this signifies that USDZAR could significantly drop to the downside, breaking this level of support here, and may continue to drop. So we'll be waiting with our students and VIP members to close this candle. As soon as we will find this trading opportunity, if it satisfies all the rules of our strategies, then we will consider going short with a high risk to reward ratio. Now this one is with USD ZAR. Now let's look at USD CNHs and then we'll look at USD CHF. Now USD CNHs, bigger picture, if you look at the monthly time frame, now what you see that the previous months there has been a, you can say that this is a kind of a shooting star in this movement to the upside. Now this month, as soon as the market opened from here, we saw primarily a drop. Now basically what happened, the price bounce from this monthly level of support. You can see that the price couldn't the monthly low. Instead, we saw that there has been a push to the upside. Now, as you said, this is a shooting star, and the price was moving to the upside with a strong movement. And there is a long wick here on the monthly previous one, so we can expect now to price to go up to fill that wick, at least let's say a 50% of this week to the upside. So if we draw a level on the 50%, we can say that USD CNHs now we can expect to go at least to this level, which can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now going to the weekly, we saw after this weekly, this is the level of support where we are expecting the price to go up. And we saw that after the previous week's drop, this week as soon as the market opened, the sellers couldn't create any new lower low. Instead, the price now going up. So at this point we can expect the price to go at least 50% of this weekly doji or long week. So this is where we can expect our target to reach on USD CNHs. Going to the daily time frame, what do you see that daily after this previous day's doji, we saw another doji, double doji with a higher low, meaning that the price now sellers creating a now buyers creating a bullish momentum to the upside, and we can expect USD CNHs finally push to the upside. Now going to the now on 4 hour time frame or intraday, we see that USD CNHs after this double bottom formation here on the 4 hour created a higher low and then broke above, came down, retraced. So basically what we saw that the price first created a double top formation, and then the price broke above. After this breakout from this double top double bottom, we saw the price came down, tested this previous support here as previous resistance here as a support, and we see a push to the upside. That's the sign of trend change. That means that this local downtrend changes from its downtrend to the uptrend. Now we see that the price creating a series of higher high and higher low. So with all that being said, now let's see the current 4 hour and previous 4 hour candle. So what you saw previous 4 hour, you see there is a green candle that basically crossed the previous one, previous two dojis, and then broke above, closed as a bullish engulfer. This current one came down, created this doji. Now we see that it is creating a doji after 30 minutes it's closing, but we see currently kind of doji is being created. Now if this doji has been created, that means that looks like that USD CNHs will push to the upside. We have a target here, and if this one closes as a doji like the way we want to see according to the rules of our strategies, then we will consider going long on USD CNHs with a high risk to reward ratio. Now this one is with USD CNHs. Now let's see USD CHF. Now USD CHF on the 4 hour, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss, let's see the same way on the multi time frame analysis. Now this one in my weekly forex forecast, as you have seen that this is what exactly I told with USDCHF, that USDCHF is likely to rise up. Now previous months we saw that there is a doji has been created on USDCHF, on USDCHF, and from that doji, from the monthly doji, we saw that this month the price couldn't break the monthly low. Instead, the bulls found support. So we can expect now USDCHF in the first move to go up at least around more than a 50% of monthly long weeks. So this could be a zone where we can expect USDCHFs to move in the first move. So going to the weekly time frame, we see that after the previous week, this narrow candle, that is where I posted my weekly forex forecast, and that is what exactly I told that the price is likely to rise up from here, and the price did exactly as it is. Now at this point we can expect it to continue to pushing high. Going to the daily time frame, the past day we saw a perfect shooting star in this zone. And as soon as the market now open in the new trading day, we saw that the same thing continuation, the price is pushing high. So at this point we can expect USD CHF to continue to the upside, at least to this zone, which can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now going to the 4 hour, this is where we see a trading opportunity. Now this 4 hour candle, we saw that there was a big move followed by this retracement. We saw the price created, it's a kind of bullish pattern, it's a bullish continuation pattern. When you see a movement, retracement, another movement, so that's a bullish pattern. And this current 4 hour candle, you saw this cross the previous one's low, now creating a strong bullish engulfer. Now after this bullish engulfer, what we can expect, the price to continue to go up probably to this zone at least, which can give us a significant trading opportunity on the in this 4 hour time frame. So what we are doing is we are waiting for this candle close. As soon as this candle will be closed, we will see if this candle is satisfying all the rules of our strategies. As soon as we will find significant trading opportunity according to the rules of our strategy, we'll consider going long with USDCHF with high risk to reward ratio. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.